to the surface, so it's mirroring.
Oh.
Hello. Yeah, we can go over there. I think we can come out in the boat.
Ganda talaga mo, parang painting.
There's now a big piece of glacier, big piece of ice hit the ground, created this hole, and also cutted the underground vein of an underground spring river. Okay, so a lot of spring water is coming in here, and yeah, so 20,000 liters a minute. Okay, 20,000 liters a minute, spring water, pure freshness. You can also touch the water, you can refresh yourself. You know, the water temperature is always between 1 and 10 degrees. Okay. And because since 6 years now, this is not a trout cultivation zone, it's a natural park now. It was over fish cultivation is going on, so just go around, go down, and you see pools and stuff, you know. And there you can see Swiss quality of trout cultivation, certificate biologic organic. Yeah, it's very good. And now you see now we have a special moment. The sun slowly disappears behind the mountain, you know, and you see there where the darkness is coming, really the color just fades away, you know, just no more colors, you know, because the colors really need sunlight, you know. Now it's a fantastic moment also for me, you know, it's fading away. So make your shot from the bridge, you know, if you like, or come back tomorrow. And when I'm still alive, then we can have another trip, you know.
I'm sure you will.
Yeah, it's hard. And for this trip, you know, I don't know if I have energy, but I have to go. Just go. Yeah, it's heavy.
It's heavy, I know.
Yeah, not here, but mentally it's heavy.